Once upon a time, there was a boy named Rohan. He lived in a small village with his parents. Rohan loved playing football more than anything else. Every evening, after finishing his homework, he would run to the field near his house to practice football. He did not have the best football shoes or a good football, but that did not stop him. He was happy with what he had. Rohan dreamed of becoming a famous football player one day, but in his village, no one believed in his dream. His friends would often laugh at him and say, "Rohan, you will never be a good football player. You don't even have the proper shoes or a good ball." Even though these words hurt him, Rohan never gave up. He would smile and say, "One day I will show you." Every day, Rohan practiced on the field. He would run fast, kick the ball hard, and do his best to improve. Even when it was raining, Rohan would still go to the field and practice. His clothes would get dirty and his shoes would be wet, but he did not care. He knew that hard work was the key to success. One day, something special happened in the village. A famous football coach came to visit. The coach was looking for new players to join his team. Everyone in the village was excited. Rohan heard about the coach's visit and became very nervous, but he decided to give it a try. The next day, many boys gathered in the field to show their football skills to the coach. Rohan was scared because the other boys had better shoes and better footballs, but he reminded himself that what really mattered was his effort, not his shoes or ball. When it was Rohan's turn to play, he took a deep breath and stepped onto the field. He ran fast, kicked the ball hard, and played with all his heart. The coach watched closely and noticed how determined Rohan was. After all the boys had finished playing, the coach walked over to Rohan. He smiled and said, "Rohan, you may not have the best shoes or the best ball, but you have something much more important. You have the spirit of a champion. Your hard work and determination are what make you special." Rohan could not believe his ears. The coach invited him to join his team and train with the best players in the city. Rohan was so happy that he could hardly speak. He thanked the coach and ran home to tell his parents the good news. From that day on, Rohan's life changed. He trained with the city team every day and worked even harder to improve his skills. His friends, who used to laugh at him, now admired him. They would often come to watch him play and cheer for him. Rohan's story teaches us an important lesson. No matter what others say or how hard things seem, if we work hard and believe in ourselves, we can achieve our dreams. Rohan did not need fancy shoes or the best football to become great. All he needed was his hard work and determination. And in the end, that was enough to make his dream come true. If you enjoy this story, please like and subscribe for more. Thank you.